So back to my usual IoT DIY DIN rail thingy contraption. As you know, I've demonstrated this before, and I've used these breakout things. I have no idea how they are called. However, that's not the point. I found this lately. This, everyone is complaining online that this splitter doesn't work. It's terrible. I can't connect my PC and my Xbox to the same cable because only one at a time can work. And I'm thinking, perfect. This is exactly what I need. Like, exactly. Because I had the problem, how do I connect these to a shared, like a network? I can use these, yeah, the Ethernet shields for the Arduinos that I'm using, but they are A, extra cost, and B, they can get quite hot, and it will get the Arduino quite hot as well, because it's converting voltage or something, I don't remember now, but doesn't matter, it just can get quite hot. And if it's in an enclosure that these will be, I'll be designing an enclosure for this, then that's going to be a major pain. So I'm like, yes, this might be a solution. So let's just power this entire contraption up. You already know what this does. So if you have one of these and they're like short circuit, it should just work, right? Straight away. This is very obvious what it's doing, blah blah blah. But what if I want to have 5 of these, 4 of these, 3 of these, and I want to connect them onto the same ModBus network? Because yeah, with this I can do the TCP/IP, ModBus over Ethernet, I think the thing is, which is convenient, I understand, because you just need a switch and an Ethernet cable and you're done. But what if I want to do something a bit more complicated and just use this, because this doesn't heat up, barely any signature after like 5 or 10 hours, because these are these just don't overheat. And if I connect this up this way, guess what? It works. It blimmin' works. So I am to get rid of this. So I am happy about this. And okay, if I just, obviously my hand's there all the time, so it doesn't matter which orientation I connect this, because this is all linked up. All of them, oh great, are connected up. All of these pins are wired the same way. So I could create some sort of like a chain to connect like 5 of them across the house, and maybe I can even have a thing like this, that when in one location there will be an installation. And where is my Ethernet cable? Get this plugged in, and this will go somewhere else and connect to another set of ModBus devices running Arduino, and then yeah, I can expand the network and expand and expand. Yes, this has drawbacks because you can't rely on the existing Ethernet network that you have at home. You have to have separate dedicated wires, unless you layer the house. I have some redundancy, you can use those, but doesn't matter. This can be quite fun, and I think this will be a good solution. Although yes, you need this will be a bit messier. However, do I really want to use this? That's the question. So I guess it depends. I'm going to try this route first and see how that works for me. I'll need to buy 1 more of these and configure 1 more Arduino with to be on this ModBus network to do something else, and see if I can get it all working and daisy chained, if that's the word, connect them all up and see if that's going to be a solution to my problem. But anyway, that's it for today, and hope that made some sense. However, if you know any solution to connect these 4 pins in like a shared network, I know you can solder. Yeah, I don't want to do that, I'm too lazy. Do let me know if there are any like solutions I can use to maybe utilize the Ethernet cable to do that, or I don't know, anything. If you have any suggestions, drop me a line in the comment maybe. And I think, yeah, that's it. End of my rambling. Thanks for watching.